Some passengers change you, and you don't even know their names. That's the thing about driving a taxi. You become a witness to life. To the quiet, strange poetry of a city. I've been driving this cab for 23 years. Same streets, same seat, different stories. Every day I pick up pieces of people's lives. Joy, heartbreak, hangovers, first dates, last goodbyes. The city never sleeps, and neither do its stories. Funny thing about the road, it teaches you how to listen, not just to people, but to the pauses between their words. That's where the real stuff lives. Like this one time, I picked up this guy, maybe mid-30s, reeking of cologne and desperation. He hops in and says, "Mind if I sing?" Before I can answer, he belts out Whitney Houston, full volume for the whole ride. By the time we reached Midtown, I was his reluctant backup singer. He gave me a $10 tip and said, "Thanks for not judging." I just smiled. We've all needed to sing our hearts out to strangers, haven't we? Then there was this older lady, must have been in her 80s. She got in, clutching a photo, said she wanted to visit her childhood home. "One last time," she whispered. We drove slow. She didn't say much. But when we got there, her eyes lit up like fireworks. "No one I know lives there anymore," she said, "but it still remembers me." And you know what? I think it did. I waited while she sat on the curb, smiled at the porch, and whispered something to the wind. Didn't charge her for that ride. Some things aren't about money. Of course, not everything makes sense behind the wheel. Once, I picked up this guy in a suit, quiet, cold, gave me an address in the industrial district. We drive, 20 minutes, dead silence. I glance back. He's gone. Door never opened. Car never stopped. Just gone. Still creeps me out. Maybe he was never there. Or maybe the road has ghosts. You see, driving's like life. You think you're in control, wheel in hand, destination in sight. But the detours, that's where the story is. Flat tires, wrong turns, conversations you didn't expect. That's where you learn who you are. Sometimes I wonder how many lives I've brushed against. A million hands on the door handle. 1,000 stories I'll never know the ending to. And that's okay. Not every story is meant to be finished. Some are just meant to pass through you. People ask if I ever get bored. How could I? Every night is a chapter. Every fare is a little window into someone else's world. And maybe that's what keeps me going. Not the fare, not the fuel, but the quiet privilege of being there, even for a moment when someone's life is in motion. That's the thing about driving. You meet people at their best, worst, and everything in between.
Еще раз.
You don't have to save them. You just have to take them where they're going.
Спасибо.
And me, I'll keep driving. Because somewhere out there, the weirdest ride, that's still waiting for me.
Даже на заднем сидении. Поездка по Яндекс.Картам займет 25 минут. Поверните налево. Маршрут построен.
Камера контролирует перекресток.
Впереди камера контроля перекрестка.
Обнаружен маломощный радар.